My name is Angie Hughes. I am the Director of Revenue and E-commerce for Bartell Hotels. We have 8 hotels in and around San Diego. We're about 15 miles apart, total in the circumference. My role is Director of Revenue and E-commerce, so I provide all the revenue manager support. My team does both the revenue and all the digital marketing for the company. I would absolutely say both. The reason that I say that, especially in this time right now, the access to data quick and easy is paramount to getting your appropriate strategies done, to making sure the inventory is aligned, to make sure we have the data we need to make decisions. We have very different systems, we have different PMSs, POSs, everything, and to be able to get that all into one area and report on and bring things in, it's a huge time saver, and we know we can trust the data is accurate, so we can use that data to make decisions. If I need a quick and easy answer, I'm right in a browse, I know exactly where it is, I go get it. If it's kind of to give me the ability to kind of see overall, I rely on the reports, both that Datavision has built and the ones that I've built for myself. Again, full portfolio, and an additional thing for that, we had a lot of ticketing. So what that meant was that not only do we have room revenue POS, but we sold boat trips and we sold tours. And a gentleman that was in our company was kind of a self-taught SQL engineer. So he built these reports, and we used to call them the house of cards, because he would he just would add on. He didn't really build them from scratch. So they were very tenuous. They would break all the time, and we couldn't really rely on the data. So we needed to find a way to, again, bring all that data into consumable cubes and report off of that, so we knew for sure that the data that we had was accurate and was pulling from all sources. We did look at several different things. It was actually, we went to a HUG conference, and Datavision was there, and it was just like, the light bulb went off, and it was like, oh my gosh, this is the answer to all my problems. Today, it's mainly PMS data. We are looking to, we've switched POSs, we switched sales and catering. Y'all now do have the inputs on both of the companies that we chose. So in the coming year, we're hoping to bring in sales and catering data, PMS data. We do bring in our RMS, so it brings in some forecasting data through our RMS. We do comp set data, so star information comes in. The SSRS reports are amazing for the comp set data, but right now mostly we have PMS data. Reporting and access to data is such a key component, and like all of my disparate systems, they have their own reporting, and that's great. Thank you. I thank them very much for that, but I don't want to have to go in and run different reports from each and every system. That's just a time waster. I don't have time to go in and do that. So I always tell Mark, if I ever go to another company, the first thing that I'm doing is making sure, okay, what systems you're on and when are we going to start adding Datavision?